Hi fam, what is up elders and youngers? This is Digital AK47 AK Ashok. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about the future of digital marketing. So this will be a very interesting video, and this video will be also too long. So make sure you watch the video till the very end. So before we get into the video, let me guys tell you that we post videos of news, trends, practices related to digital marketing. So make sure you guys get connected and stay able to subscribe to our channel just like this. And if you have not watched some of our previous videos which are very interesting related to digital marketing, I have linked in the I button. You can check that as well. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So let's discuss about the future of digital marketing. Ever since people says about marketing concept or any new concept that comes, people usually have a mindset that within 2 to 3 years it will get saturated or it will get end. So we have to go with the latest trend. So in the case of digital marketing, it's not like that completely. So basically digital marketing has a very bright and very long future for digital marketing. So people, those who are trying to invest or already investing, don't get bother of that. Digital marketing has a very bright and long future. So usually people say that if any new marketing concept or even with the traditional marketing, people used to say that it's going to end, it is in the saturation stage, or also it will get ending very soon. But today's date, 9th of September 2020, still there is traditional marketing available in our country. People still are using traditional marketing. It hasn't ended yet, right? So basically like that. Businesses has to choose their own type of marketing, anything, but if you choose digital marketing, there's a very bright future. And also from the today, if you invest on today, I can show you that it will sustain till more 10 to 15 years, because it's totally depend on the internet. Once if the internet or Google or many internet providing companies says that internet will be not more available, then you can say that digital marketing is in the end situation. So similarly, let's see the future of digital marketing in very detail. So this will be the main part of the video. So guys, please don't skip this video till the very end. So in this thing, I will be covering in the two parts for the future of digital marketing. One is the people, those who have started their career already, the career of digital marketing, their future. And the second thing is businesses, those who are invested are also looking to invest in digital marketing in their future very detailedly. So guys, don't skip this video till the very end. So the first thing is people, those who have started their career also looking at career in the digital marketing field. So basically, if you want to start from scratch for digital marketing career or also as a daily driver, I have made a dedicated video on digital marketing roles and also job opportunities. I have linked in the I button, you can check that as well. So basically, digital marketing career is a very great career. Also, there are many types of careers you can choose with the digital marketing. So basically, you have to improve your skill set, because experience doesn't matter, certificates doesn't matter. It's just a gateway to apply for a job or to go to an interview. But the matter of digital marketing is the skill and the strategy, technologies, and the practices you do for digital marketing. So if you don't improve your skills with digital marketing, then I'm sorry to say that it may be in danger for your future as a career in digital marketing. So think to improve your skills. And also, if you are not in tune with the latest trends in digital marketing, I am making a dedicated videos for digital marketing news, trends, practices. So there is a playlist of my digital marketing news in the I button. You can keep in sync with the digital marketing trends, so that you can also share this video with everyone. So those who are looking in the digital marketing career and need to improve themselves with the newest trends and practices, they can keep in sync with that. So always keep in mind that you have to keep with the trend and also you have to keep updated, because digital marketing is a field that marketing is the second thing. You have to satisfy your client or also satisfy your business's needs or services, products, that's secondary. But as a career, also as a future for your career and secure for your job, and to improve your job position, you have to keep in updated, and also you have to practice more skills. Not like that, if you are in the initially you are doing social media postings and also doing some strategies relating to that, you have to improve to go to the next level. There are ads, there are many more things, there are strategists, there are analysts. So you have to improve your skills, and also you have to improve your job role as well. So if you are starting with the scratch and also you are staying in the same line, I'm sorry guys, it will be more related to your danger towards your job. So make sure you improve your skill set and also improve your updates, and also keep practicing more things, because practice makes things very perfectly. There's a say that practice makes a man perfect. So similarly that you have to practice more and more skills to improve your job role as well. So the future of digital marketing as a job for an people those who are seeking career also want to seek a career in digital marketing is a very great chance. So there is very long future in the career of digital marketing for a person. Now let's look at the second part of the future of digital marketing, that's for the business. So businesses are break down into two types of businesses. The first type of businesses, those who are looking to invest in digital marketing are also thinking of investing in digital marketing. People usually uses traditional marketing, they have a less perception on digital marketing, that how it will be done on online, is it secure, is it safer, will I get customer. They have many bunch of questions revolving around that. I have make a dedicated video how to take your business online with digital marketing. I have linked in the I button, you can check that as well. So basically I will cover some of those from the video here. So there are many types of channels in digital marketing, those you can invest here for your business. So the decision is yours. So you have to choose that which channel will choose for my business or choose from my business for online marketing or digital marketing. So basically you can get guidance from any digital marketing specialist. Also we are also providing free consultation on how to take digital marketing with your business. So check the description section to claim the free consultation for your business as well. So basically for the businesses, those who want to start in digital marketing, there is a very bright and long future when comparing to the traditional marketing. Digital marketing can assure you, because it will take time. Because similarly when you have invested in traditional marketing, it took very long time, but I can be sure of that it will not take that much time when comparing to traditional marketing. So digital marketing will do that in a very fast way, and comparing to there are ads, there are organic and also paid form. If you want to go with the paid, then you can see result in very fast. If you want to take an organic way, you have to go with the very organic way, then it will take time, because you have to give time. It's not like that you have given 1 month in digital marketing, then saying like that, yeah, I did 1 month in digital marketing, but I'm not even getting calls, or not even getting sales, or not even getting inquiries for my businesses via digital marketing. No, the thing is not like that with the digital marketing. You have to think of that, because you have to give some time with the digital marketing. So it also gives to time with the audiences in the online, because internet is growing very rapid phase today. There are more than 500 million users. Even in our country, internet user is growing very day by day. So you have to give the time for your audience to know about your business. You have to keep it online. It's not like that you are posting only one post weekly once, or also doing some website. That's not the thing. Creating website, having social media, that's not. You have to show your customers that we are online, we are doing this, we are doing that, we can help with you, we can show, we can do your things like this, we can make your thing very easy with the online here. We are providing online services, we are taking our business online. You have to show your audience. Until you not even show your audience, the audience won't come to you. Then you will think that traditional is best, so you can meet real customer. Real customer, virtual customer are almost the same. Because today the automation of digital marketing, AI is also involving digital marketing, where you can virtually see your customers. Also customer can see virtually you. There are video conferencing, there are many other applications that customers can connect with you. So you have to think that businesses, those who are looking forward to digital marketing, don't even think, at least have a try. Because something is better than nothing now. You have to at least try with the businesses that how can improve my business in the digital marketing. There are many specialists, there are many agencies, also there are many companies in digital marketing helping businesses to take the online. Now let's see those businesses who are already invested in digital marketing. So people with those who are already in digital marketing, they are growing their business online with day by day. Actually they have some questions also, they are get appreciated with the service of digital marketing. When comparing, they were using some other types of marketing like traditional marketing and other types of marketing. When digital marketing evolved, actually it helped many businesses to grow their own. Even Make in India, Digital India also involved, also developed many businesses help to grow online, basically that. And also some people have the questions like that, I am doing digital marketing but I need to improve with that. I am getting calls, right, but I need to improve. I also want some more calls, some more engagement with my business, then you have to take the channel to the next level, because every channel does not have the basic form. There are advanced forms, there are many types of channels. Also you can try different channels. If you are trying in social media, you are getting enough engagement with the social media, then you can try SEO. There are online advertising, there are many other channels in the digital marketing that can also improve your presence from the level 2. It can take to your business with the next level also. So also you have to think that it must suit your business, because if you are doing some kind of industry which is need your video promotion, also video logging, that like that things, then you don't have to go with the images. Also it will distract your audiences that how an image can represent the product actually. So because if your focus is on the video things and also promotion related to the videos, then you have to go with the next level of the video format as well. Not like that, okay, we are doing so much of videos, let's try with the posters. If it goes fine, then it's right, but I don't want to get a distraction or loss of some engagements or some audience from your businesses towards others. So basically you have to keep that in mind, that you also improve your channel in the digital marketing as well, and also you have to not lose your fan base or audience base as well. So you have to think that by improving or while improving the digital marketing in that. So proper guidance from a digital marketing specialist is very necessary in this case. So fam, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, and also if you want to invest your business in digital marketing, we are providing services for digital marketing. I have linked it in the I button there. You can check that as well for the future of digital marketing services which we provide. If you found this video helpful, do share this video with everyone. Like this video, drop a comment below. And if you are not following on my social media, so my social media handles are on the screen. We are posting much more contents and updates related to digital marketing on my social media handle. So make sure you follow me on my social media. So fam, that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till that, get connected and stay updated. Bye.